In the fast-paced world of modern business, connectivity is key. The Brass Effect offers advanced structured data cabling services in Frisco, Texas, and beyond, ensuring your business stays connected. Certified installers, guaranteed work, and 15-plus years of experience make us the go-to choice for businesses in Frisco, Salina, Plano, Allen, Prosper, Little Elm, McKinney, Richardson, and Dallas, Texas. It's critical to get it right the first time. A professional and certified data cabling installation by the Brass Effect is the foundation to a properly performing IT network in Frisco, Texas. Our services extend to Salina, Plano, Allen, Prosper, Little Elm, McKinney, Richardson, and Dallas, ensuring strong Wi-Fi, fast internet, and secure office environments with our advanced security cameras and door locks. Understanding the different classes of data cabling is crucial. Cat 5e, Cat 6, Cat 6a, Cat 7, and Cat 8 cables each offer unique characteristics and applications, ensuring reliable and cost-effective solutions for modern office environments and home networks. Exploring fiber optic cabling options opens up advanced solutions for high-speed data transmission. Single-mode fiber and multi-mode fiber provide high bandwidth and support high-speed data transfer, making them ideal for various applications in office buildings, data centers, and large-scale networks. The Brass Effect specializes in structured office data cabling, fiber optics, access controls, and security camera cabling, providing solutions that cater to the unique challenges of commercial establishments in Dallas, Fort Worth, Plano, Frisco, and Allen, Texas. Our process is designed to make the installation as simple as possible. From walkthrough and scope of work to customized proposals and scheduling your installation, we ensure that your network infrastructure is adaptable, scalable, and future-proof. At the Brass Effect, we're committed to quality and standards. Our approach to telecommunication space design, pathway design, and work area design ensures your cabling system is efficient, compliant, and future-ready. Choose the Brass Effect for a network that empowers your business communication and growth in Frisco, Texas, and beyond, ensuring your setup is not just for today, but for the technological advancements of tomorrow. Make an appointment online or give us a call at 214-753-4842.